These are what we call our Pro Tank 3. It's made by Kanger. It's a Kanger tank. It's also a really good tank. Okay. And so this is Pro Tank 3, Pro Tank 2s. And it just depends on, what you like. These are beauty rings.
In case you're wondering, this is 50-50 mixture of PG and VG. Only thing I really use it for is just to wet this wicking media. This is rayon. Let's put a little gob in there.
Of course, this is extra. Okay.
Fold it over, roll it up.
You see those little
start twisting between my fingers.
There, little cotton. That's what, when you place that in there, that's what fires up and makes the bang. Okay? Alright, now.
Got us a tidy little wick.
So, call these beauty
Go a little thicker, little thicker.
Makes it look nice.
Run it
Not
through.
sticking up,
It's about as thick as I'm going to go with that particular thickness of wire. If it was like 22 or 20, man, I'd make that so tight I'd have to screw it in. Let's see.
Feel that.
What about this? Pretty much the same here.
It's a little cheaper. It's pretty much the same thing. However, they're coming up with such. This one is also 40. It's basically the same thing. I'll look at that, okay?
A little bit more.
And then we have
You're wet.
30. And then this one is a little bit colored. It has that purpley. Now this one has more of a red, and this is black.
Make sure you're clear.
And
all I'm doing is making sure the brutes are down on the deck and that the weep hole's clear.
And then your beauty ring. Okay? And again,
I always do a little bit of wet burning on rayon. Some people claim there's a taste, some people aren't, but I do a little wet burning. I've never had a bad problem. Okay. And that's how you do the wick and the coil on one of these puppies.